Elegido para un mandato de 2 años y medio, el señor Alexander Ceferin, con votos 42. Y le deseo, en mi nombre y de todos los miembros del Comité Ejecutivo,
Thank you for your fantastic support. It's a great honor, but at the same time, great responsibility. It means a lot to me. It means, and my family is very proud about it. My small and beautiful Slovenia is very proud about it. And I hope that one day you will also be proud of me. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, football fans, losing is of course not nice, but I have to thank everybody for the very open and clear and pleasant campaign. The way I was received was very nice, and I really cherish the nice talks and intensive talks I had with the various colleagues. It was in Italy when Alexander took the floor and said, "We are not enemies," and that is exactly how it is.